garlic butter shrimp. Oh, this one is really, really good. It's actually, one of my favorite, and if I could eat this every day, I would. But hey, health-wise, we gotta watch our cholesterol. Okay, let's start here. The recipe will be in the description below. So let's start. Here, we put about half a cup or 1 cup of Mountain Dew to marinate the shrimp. We'll leave this for a few minutes, like maybe 20 to 30 minutes. That's fine. It's gonna taste good and all that. So now let's heat the pan. Here we start with like about half a stick of butter, or at least around 4 spoons of butter. So in this case, it's like a block. We add more. We're gonna melt this. Oh, it's smelling good. Like I love the smell of melted butter. Okay, now we're gonna have this melting a bit and add a few more. There you go. So now it's about 4 spoons of melted butter. Yes, we gotta let it melt slowly. Do not put it in high heat because you're gonna burn the butter. And around 3 or 4 cloves of crushed garlic. Once again, we're gonna get this to until almost getting golden, not brown, because it's gonna start to taste bitter with the aftertaste. So we try to avoid that. We don't overcook the butter. All right. As soon as you can start seeing it to have, color like a light brown or light gold, then you know it's ready for the shrimps. Yes, now it's gonna be good. So make sure the heat is quite low, medium to low heat only. All right. Okay, now it's ready. Now we bring the shrimps in. We pour it in, including the juices, including the Mountain Dew, because it's gonna, cook off, or it's gonna thicken the sauce. All right. So now we let this stay like this for a few minutes, like maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and then now we squeeze in 4 lime, or in our case calamansi, like 4 good sized calamansi. You can use lemon if you want, like a half cup of lemon. That would be also good. This is easily accessible for us, the calamansi. So we squeeze in 4 calamansi, which is lime, I believe. Right. Okay, 2 more. Oh wait, no, no, no. Yes. Make sure all the juices are squeezed in. Okay. Now we let it cook for like a minute or two. We do not overcook it because it's gonna get, the shrimp's gonna start becoming rubbery in texture. So now we turn a few. As you can see, it's getting more cooked now. Yes. Now once we've turned it, just a minute or two again, like a few minutes only. Now it's here gonna be good now. We lower the heat. We remove this. We remove the shrimps. We put it on the plate first. Alright. Take all of it. Okay. Now we let the butter juices, the sauce, stay for a bit. Okay. Now we make sure the garlics are all cooked. We slightly increase the heat and put about 2 spoons of tomato paste. You can use ketchup if you want, but with this time we used tomato paste, 2 spoons. All right, there you go. Yes, now we try to mix it up. We cook it slowly, kind of return the heat to medium, just so that this can boil a bit. Mix it gently and slowly. Okay, so now we let it boil a bit so that it can cook some more. Cook all the garlic and get all the taste good. And you can see now it's starting to look really good, right? Now we turn the shrimps. We do this so that it doesn't overcook the shrimps. So it will still be tender and juicy and not rubbery at all. All right, there you go. Okay, now we let it, boil a bit, but now we put a crushed black pepper. You can salt this to taste. We didn't really put much salt because it's already good, but you can add if you want. We just definitely important to have crushed black pepper. get that all the slight kick or boost to it. Yes, now it's all good now. Oh, it's all ready. Look at that. Oh, you can see the juices are all thickened up. Yes, now this is about ready. Let's put it on the plate. Here it is. Now we get all the juices on top. Oh yeah. You got your rice ready or bread. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Yes, you can garnish this with lemongrass and all that, you know. But even as is like this, it's already really, really good. Yep. Would you look at that? Garlic butter shrimp. Oh, this is so delicious. Yes. Now we move it to the table here. Oh, now I'm ready to eat. This is gonna be all good. Oh, I could actually finish this, but hey, we gotta leave some for the others. All right? Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and, of course, like the video if this is something good for you. So, yep, I'll see you around. All right?